Hello everyone, let's get acquainted with another artificial intelligence tool. Today, I want to introduce you another artificial intelligence tool that you can use to create a fashion model. If you are a tailor and you show your clothes on a mannequin, you can easily create a fashion model for yourself by using this tool and display your clothes beautifully. To use this tool, just take a photo of the mannequin and then choose the model you want to design your fashion model. After entering the website, just click on Try for free. Now here, you have to upload the photo of the mannequin. Now you have to choose the desired model, and you can also choose the background of your image, or it can even be the background of your original image. Now you have to sign in with your Google account, then just wait to see the result. As you have seen, you can use this artificial intelligence tool to create your own fashion model and display your brand beautifully and attract everyone to your work. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.